Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am only Vijay and I. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 5 in MS Excel 2021 about style group in the style group. Today we will talk about conditional formatting, about formatting tables, and about how to apply styles. First of all, we will talk about conditional formatting, how you can apply conditional formatting to your sheet. As always, before starting the lecture, I would like to say that if you are able to learn something new from today's video, please make sure to like and share this video. So let's begin today's lecture. First, we will talk about conditional formatting, how you can apply conditional formatting to a cell. So here, I'll zoom in a bit the page so that you can clearly see how formatting can be done. First, we'll type name here, and then we'll type marks. Now let's say for the first subject we want to create a result, and we'll apply a condition to it. Any student who has scored less than 33 marks in a subject will be considered fail, and their numbers will automatically appear in red. The students who have passed, meaning those who have scored 33 or more, their numbers will appear in black. So for this, what we need to do is select all the cells where we want to apply conditional formatting. After that, go to conditional formatting, then go to highlight and then click on more rules. On highlight, click more rules, then leave cell value as it is. And in the greater than menu, select less than, click on less than, and then if the value is less than 33, type that value here and format it so that if the value is less than 33, click on font and set the color to red. After that, click OK and then click OK again. Now, for example, if you type numbers here like 35, 65, 85, and 32, any value less than 33 will automatically appear in red. In this way, by applying conditional formatting, you can display the result. After that, select it again, and then we'll talk about more options in conditional formatting. Here, you can see we also have highlight rules, then greater than, and along with that, you can also apply data bars here. There's also the top 10 option. If you click on top 10 and then, for example, you want to know the top 3 positions, this is the top 3, this is the top 2, and this is the top 1. In this way, you can also find out the positions like who are the top 3, top 4, top 5, and so on. You can apply this command, and after that, you can also format using color schemes. For example, if you apply colors here, if the color range increases, it means the number is higher. If the color range decreases, it means the number is lower. Whatever color scheme you want to use here, you can apply it from here. Then with color scale, you can see that as the color gets lighter, the marks increase. As the color gets darker, the marks decrease. So in this way, you can see there are different formatting options available here, and you can apply whichever formatting you want from here. After that, we have icon sets. If you go to icons, you can see that the rows going downward indicate fail, and those going upward indicate pass. There are many different types of icon formats available. Next, we're going to read about format as table. In format as table, what you need to do first is create a table. For example, let's say I create a new sheet, zoom in, and here I type S, no. Then I write name, then city, and then I type amount. After entering this data, select all the cells like this. If you have a lot of data, select all of it. Then click on format as table and select any color you like. For example, I selected this color scheme here. After that, select the command, my table has headers, so that our headings remain unchanged. Click here and then click, and you'll see your formatting is applied like this. In this way, after entering your data, as you type in the values, see this is how we are entering the values, and after entering the values, for example, if we click here, as soon as you click on the table, a design tab opens at the top, a table design tab opens. The first command in this is for header rows. If you click here, the header rows, like the amount and city at the top, will be hidden from here, and you can also show them again from here. From here, we can also show the total. For example, if you click here, you'll see that as soon as we click, the total is now displayed. And as we click here, all these formulas can be applied with just one click. That means whatever we write here, we can find out its count, we can find out the average. Maximum, minimum sum, that is, all formulas can be applied here. If you want to turn this off, you can also turn off the total from here. In banded rows, what happens is that after one row, the next row gets colored here, and you can remove it or apply it as well. In the first column, if you look at the color, like here, if we change the format and I select this format, then the color appears in the first column. From here, we can remove it or apply it. You can apply color to the last column from here or remove it as well. In banded columns, after one column, the next column will get colored and you can remove it from here. You can turn the filter button off from here and also turn it on from here. After that, if you want to change the style, you can change the color scheme here. And then after that, next Kumar in home, if we want to add someone to it. Here, for the first one, the value that needs to be extracted is here. And after that, if we want to reset it, here you can also give this color for bad. If you want to mark it as good, you can use this color. If you want to make it neutral, you can use this color. For calculations, we can use this color. For check cells, we can use this one. In this way, you have a ready-made color scheme, and you can apply these color schemes like this. Just like there is normal, there is bad, good, neutral. Then there is also one for calculation, then for notes, and then for total. So as soon as you click here, that formatting will be applied here. So this was our lecture for today, in which we learned about the style group, how to apply conditional formatting, how to format tables, and then how to apply color scheme styles to cells. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.